everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today I am excited because I got an invitation by one of my subscribers to visit her garden. She also sells plants in Marketplace and I bought some of her plants. So let's go! Welcome to Joyce Garden, everyone! She started growing succulents 3 years ago and has grown her collection by buying some potted succulents and propagating the leaves in her greenhouse. Just like what I shared in my previous vlogs, she also uses isopropyl alcohol as pesticide. And even if the plant is not affected yet, she would spray them with alcohol to prevent them from getting infected. The moment I set foot in her garden, I was mesmerized by her huge, colorful collections. According to her, this is her life and she loves spending time in her garden. In the end, all these beautiful, vibrant succulents that you see are the result of her love and passion for gardening. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.